Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in ChatGPT. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. In order to reset your ChatGPT password, go to your web browser and in the search bar type in the URL www.openai.com/blog/chatgpt, and once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you should end up in the main page of ChatGPT. Here, click on the Try ChatGPT button and it will take you to this page right here. Here you'll find a login button and a sign up button. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button, and if you already have, then click on the login button. It will take you to this page right here. Add in your email address in the given slot and then click on the continue button. Now, in order to reset your password, click on the forgot password button below the password slot. Add your email address once again and then click on the continue button. It will take you to this page right here. Now a verification email will be sent to your email address. Open up your Gmail and you should find this kind of email right here. It will be attached with the reset password button. Click on the reset password button and you should be redirected to this page right here. Choose a new password for your account and then add it to the given slots. While you're choosing a password, make sure that you choose a strong password so that your account remains secure. Now once you are done adding in your password, click on the reset password button and that's all you have to do. Your password has been successfully changed. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will surely be back with more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and goodbye till then.